The question that I received the most recently, okay, because I've been advocating another angle on how to actually run ads or how to actually get more profit from your audiences or more revenue from your audiences. So one of the questions that I get the most is how to actually boost Shopee sales without ads. You see, very simple. But you are already spending a lot of money in acquiring customers for your Shopee and Lazada store. But what I'm actually trying to prompt you here is that, how do you boost sales? You see, a lot of people, when they talk about boosting sales, they're always eye on what? Getting new customers. They want the new customer to come in and buy. They keep on focusing on running ads to bring people in, whether you're running ads on Shopee to buy the keywords, or you're running ads on Facebook to run ads and all this kind of thing. But inevitably, the market will only get more and more crowded. So when more advertisers coming into your vertical, the overall cost is going to come up. You see, put it this way, Facebook ads cost, whatever ads cost will only get up. It will never come down, okay? So if you're chasing on this end, it's going to be like forever hamster wheel for you, because you always need to think about how am I supposed to introduce the different product? How am I supposed to get a new way to advertise? How am I supposed to churn better creative? But what I'm actually trying to put to actually put to you over here is very simple. You're missing a very important point, which is, in fact, in my opinion, the easiest way to boost your sales, whether your Shopee store sales or Lazada store sales without running ads, the answer is in the email. It's about nurturing your audiences. Meaning that you want to actually get these people, you want to start using email or even SMS or even other ways like WhatsApp and whatnot, which is, WhatsApp technically is not legal anyway, because WhatsApp do not allow all this broadcasting on this kind of thing. But SMS you can actually do a broadcast SMS, or rather you want to build a more articulated email framework to nurture your audiences. Very simple. Let me give you this, very simple. Statistics says it is 7 times easier to market to people who already bought from you instead of getting a new customer through the door. So here's the thing. How do you boost sales? Very simple. Focus on increasing the lifetime value of your existing customers. So I've been helping a lot of brands, especially those Shopee and Lazada sellers, e-commerce sellers, whether you're selling on e-commerce marketplace or even if you have your own website, better still, because in that case, we will definitely get this data in a more easy way. So what you should consider doing is you should start looking at email, because for those who missed it, you should actually go for my check out my video one time. I was talking about how to actually sell via email. That video shows you exactly how in May itself, I was only spending about $30 on email, and I write a lot of emails because email subscription is relatively so much cheaper. Because my list was small and still small, about 3,000 plus. 3,000 plus, in order to send unlimited emails to these people, I only pay about $30 a month. So by paying $30 a month, you know what happened? I actually got, I actually made 10,000 US dollar by selling through email. So if you're not doing this, you're missing a big chunk of money on the table. Like I always like to tell people, it's yours. If you make the money, it's yours. If you don't make the money, it's on the table because no one else can get it from you because it's your list. But what I'm saying here is that if you're not touching that, you're missing a very big chunk of money on the table. Easily, email is now contributing about 20 over percent of my total revenue every month right now. It's one of a very important money-making machine if you look at this. So if you're looking at without ads, if you want to do this, the answer is in the email, all right? So if you need help, you can actually reach out to me. We have a program to help you build this thing. But of course, this is not for everyone. I would suggest that if you do not have a very big list, then you probably should start doing this, learning this on your own. At the moment, we don't have a course, but if you have a big list, meaning that, like for example, the other day I was talking to a marketplace seller that has about 60,000 customers that bought from her before. In that case, right, that you need help, because if you have 60,000, then you need to have a very careful process in terms of like whitelisting them and all this kind of thing. I'm working with one of my best friend, Andrew, in a program to help. At the moment we're looking at 10 businesses to work on this together. So if you need help, reach out to me. Just comment or come over to my Facebook page and comment, or not comment, message me. So we will be able to work together on this. Okay, but you really want to work on the email part.